welcome back to the channel. Look at this beautiful weather. It has not been this way all week. Today is our one nice sunny day that we're gonna put some work in, but most of the week has been crazy rainy. It has been raining for like 3 days non-stop. I'm not sure what our total inches is right now, but it's a lot. The pond is way up.
Oh.
You might want to stay inside, buddy. Yeah.
No.
I know it. It's still going. Oh, here it comes. Oh, holy crap. We just lost the first branch.
Yeah, bud.
That scared me. It's that wind picking up. Get in the house, Henry. We gotta get outside, and we gotta do it now. Could rain again at any moment. Give you 2 guesses where he's gonna want to go now.
I think you should grab my coat.
It's fine. It's great out here. He's gonna be mad when he realizes they're just moving the truck and not going for a ride. I gotta check on my greenhouse. It's been kind of mad, it's been kind of moldy, it's not having a super great time, but the tomatoes and peppers have been looking pretty good. So I'm not overly worried. It's kind of like the plants themselves are mad, but it's been getting pretty chilly. I think we have been skirting on the high 30s at night. So I'm not surprised, but I'm also trying to keep an eye on it to make sure we don't lose anything. So see how some of these are moldy? And it's starting to get on my tomato. I don't understand why. I'm gonna pluck this one. That one's bad. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that dust come off. It's gross. Okay, let's just... Yeah, I don't... Oh. That's probably why this whole thing fell. I didn't even realize that. Oh, live and learn. These guys look like they'll do okay though. It's a learning process for sure, especially in this crazy humid environment. You saw the rain. How are the buckets? Holy cow.
I know.
That's crazy.
I think we got plenty of water.
What you got?
Fish.
Okay. How'd you guys fare in that crazy rain last night, huh? I was a little worried about the chickens last night. I mean, it was raining so hard we could hardly sleep, and it's usually not that loud on the cabin roof. So it was like total monsoon last night, and they're totally dry. Like I like we planned when we put a full roof on. I mean, the roof was by far the most expensive cost for the chicken coop and run, and it was definitely worth it. Last night kind of put it through the test for rain, so it's nice that it's not some huge crazy muddy mess and everybody's just good. Let's see. Nope, still no eggs. Nothing hiding. Where was all that water in July? I was wondering where you guys went. Picking trees.
Yeah, there's plenty of them. There's one, there's two.
Yeah, maybe you shouldn't burn today, even with all that, water.
You look at the size of those trees, just getting them cut down and
Oh, that's a,
limbed and stuff, the branches hauled up. That's gonna take all day anyway.
yeah.
This winter I want to focus on them because, you know, whatever's good for lumber and stuff, get it down and get it milled, but they're just going to start going bad.
Right.
Especially the bigger trees.
Okay, I'll take him in for a nap. You're going to cut the tree down. I'll bring the dogs. Jeez. Old man's feeling his oats.
We should have some salad.
Yeah.
Got a little crack there, but in general, that's pretty good wood. Nice and straight.
All right, our last nice day, at least in the 10-day forecast, and it's September now. It's time to tear down the greenhouse. Overnight temperatures are getting dangerously close to freezing. I have no form of heat in the greenhouse, and I I think it's time to bring things inside and let them finish ripening inside. Levi's working on his sawmill shed, something he plans on kind of just doing a little bit over time before, as we kind of wait on winter and wait on the baby. It's pretty much time to say goodbye to the warm weather crops, which is fine. I think we did pretty well this year, considering it was my first real year giving it a go, and we'll see what we get.
Let me just get them all real quick.
Yeah, that's fine. That's what happens when your wife can't help you anymore.
Just need a tractor.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
This one's very heavy. I'm just gonna let it run.
I'd say it's heavy. How far along am I?
Far.
34 weeks, 34 and a half. 6 weeks to go. Yeah, you can burn all that. It's fine. Not the pallet. Put everything on it. What? Oh yeah. Okay, I want to save some of that plastic. I'm going to put it over the dirt pile.
Okay.
And hopefully keep that from soaking up so much snow in April that it's like actually I can get to it early in the season.
So how big you want?
Probably like this big piece. I don't know.
Well, let's just go. Wow, it's easy to get to.
Yeah.
That's perfect, huh? Henry's not gonna be happy.
Oh, poor Henry. It's like the end of an era.
I know. It's okay.
I gotta say, yeah, with my pick.
Good enough.
Yeah, just I figure if the snow's gonna melt on it all spring, it's just never gonna thaw.
Okay, what about your carrot boards?
Yeah, that would work.
Your Brussels sprouts actually kind of started.
Yeah,
Something
I've
like
actually got a couple. Yeah, and that's a cold weather crop, so I don't have to rush to pick it. It'll be all right for a good while.
Okay, so some more plastic destruction?
Yeah, just all the destruction, or if you want to go back to your stuff, that makes this easier on me for now. I just want the plants out now. You know, so whatever teardown you want to do is up to you, or you can go back to Sawmill.
Your temperature stick, we can get that going.
Yep.
I'm just going to burn all of this stuff.
Okay.
And next year we'll use the sawmill and make a better better frame, probably a little longer.
Yes, I would like longer and taller.
And taller on this side.
And if we could do a door, even if it's like a short Becca door, but it'd be really nice to keep the tomato thief out of there named Henry.
You know, if we really, well, don't go getting too excited. We could put a post or two over here, you know, in the ground.
And that's what I would like to, if possible.
And then we could.
They don't have to be real tall, but I mean, even another foot would give me a lot more space.
Yeah, but I'm talking, instead of these just sitting here.
Right.
An actual post. Sounds everything.
If you've been watching, like I've talked about this a few times, but I think a like real deal greenhouse build is kind of down the road for us. I wanted to do one come spring. I wanted that to be the focus, but I'd rather use Levi's time on a bath / laundry / sauna cabin. So we're gonna just keep improving this makeshift greenhouse that we've been doing every year. I've gotten, you know, pretty good results out of it considering there's no heat or anything. So I think we'll, like Levi said, make it bigger and better next year and just keep doing that until, you know, things like being able to do laundry at home are a much higher priority. So we're gonna keep up with this design with little improvements. I don't even know where to start.
Just gonna dump all this dirt in the garden. That's the plan.
Probably.
Till it in.
Yep.
So you're all just gonna leave them all right here for now.
I can dump them if I don't.
No, you can't. That's why I'm just asking when I need to dump them.
You're so bossy. Yeah, whenever. They can be. I just want to get the fruits off mainly.
Yeah, quite a few tomatoes, really.
I know it. They've all got their little problems and had a lot fall and mold.
Why did they fall?
I don't know.
That's what we need to figure out, because they're growing good, but they're falling before they'll ripen.
See, I don't know if that means, I don't know why they're falling exactly. There's a lot of things to learn.
I'm telling
still.
you right now, I will move this, but you are going to have to get rid of this. Look at that. Daddy
That's a
long
daddy
leg.
long leg.
Look at the one coming at it. It's going to kill him. Watch it. Watch
Oh,
it.
that one cannot kill that daddy long leg.
Yeah, it can. Look at They're going to fight.
Oh, they're going to fight. Get it away from me. I don't want them to fight in front of me. Stop
You
it.
better kill every one of these spiders before you bring this in the house. Got it?
Got it. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Oh, because you're going to put it in a pot.
Yeah, it's going to go in that pot there.
Oh, that'll take care of the spider problem.
Yeah, they'll get shaken off.
If it's not raining like it was yesterday, I'll burn all that stuff tomorrow.
Okay.
In the frame.
Okay.
Because I don't want, it's got too many staples in it to do anything else with.
Yeah. No, I agree. You got all these little nails and stuff.
Yeah, we probably put a log screw up here, huh?
Yeah. Levi was just going to do some sawmilling. But we've been expecting his dad to bring some logs to also sawmill. And it sounds like he's here. So either way, doing some sawmilling. Oh, let's see what's in here. Yep, it's my rogue carrot. Rogue carrot. See, I don't know if you can see that mold. Happened on a lot of stuff. It's really unfortunate. That's my big man. Uh-oh. I don't think that's great. Pull him. Oh. These ones split. Tomatoes are crazy. There's just so much to them.
It's okay. It can.
All right, we're gonna get this pepper plant. So it's a Hungarian yellow wax pepper, and it's my happiest plant. So we're gonna take it inside for the winter and see. I guess this would make more sense. Pretty sure it's got a really big root system. Holy cow. Crazy. I thought the guys were gonna mill Bob's logs, but it looks like we're gonna keep working on the sawmill shed. So let's check it out. He's just a pyro in his happy place. Good luck getting by the hard worker there.
Yes, man. Hi, bud. Playing in the mold. Here?
Yeah, just wherever. That's all done for the year. Maybe not the pumpkins, but here's good. Yeah, perfect. Thank you. morning. It's the next day. I ran out of because battery yesterday, so I did not finish filming yesterday. So I'll show you what we got all wrapped up, mainly because I'm super excited about it. Levi is working on a little cleanup. We've got our rainy weather back, so he's enjoying a good day of burning. He is burning some of what he's burning. We always have something to burn around here, but he's burning a lot of the, what am I trying to say? He's burning the frame for the greenhouse. Pregnancy brain really gets me. He's burning the greenhouse wood frame, our little log greenhouse that we tore down yesterday. It could make good firewood, but it's just full of staples that you don't want to be hitting. Staples and like little nails that you just don't want to be hitting with a chainsaw. And we don't really want that stuff in our wood stove. You can see where we have all these little mounds where we dumped out the pepper and tomato pots since we wrapped all those up. We still got carrots, lettuce, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, potatoes, and asparagus. It's pretty much, and some onions. It's pretty much what's going on. Greenhouse is totally gone. It looks fabulous. Nice and open now. Gives us a little bit better of a view. Kind of blocks a lot of the view when it's up. That just, honestly, it feels really good to get that done. I could have maybe pushed it a few more days, but like I said, like 45 times by now, I'm sure, it's just too cold now. And everything, like we're kind of prepping for the baby. Everything I can get done before I'm just so tired I'm gonna die, which is soon. Any day is good progress.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Appreciate it.